in a world so bright and fun. Join us now, let's run. Coconeon and Fred, hooray! Let's rhyme and play today. Colors dance, laughter rings. Adventure calls, let's see what it brings. Together we'll explore and sing. Join our friends, let's take wing. Coconeon's a watermelon, bright and bold, with neon stripes, a sight to behold. Fred is a boy, with yellow hair, in a blue t-shirt, he loves to share. They live in a market, filled with cheer, where fruits, veggies, and joy appear. Bright apples, fresh bread, milk so light, every day brings a new delight. Together they laugh, play, and dream, in their colorful world of gleam. They find magic in every little thing. With friends and fun, their hearts take wing. Oh, what treasures they will find? Let's see what's next, let's be kind. Today we'll play a rhyming game, finding words that sound the same. Let's rhyme and giggle, sing along. Join us now, let's make a song. Coconeon and Fred are on their way. Rhyme and friendship brighten the day. Let's laugh and play, oh what fun. Rhyme with us, everyone. Coconeon saw a berry stand. Look at those colors, oh so grand. Fred said, let's find a rhyme or two. Red berry, let's find something blue. They spotted some blueberries, small and round. Blueberry and strawberry, together they're found. Next, they wandered to a bread stall. Rhyme with bread, what do you recall? Head, Fred shouted, that's a good one. Let's keep searching, our rhyme's not done. They found a green apple, shiny and sweet. Rhyme with apple, what's your treat? Snapple, Coconeon giggled with glee. Let's find more rhymes, just you and me. They skipped along, feeling so bright. Every step brought joy and delight. Let's make a plan, oh what to do? We'll ask friends to rhyme, how about you? They waved at a friend, a cute little cat. Do you want to rhyme? Imagine that. Meow, said the cat, full of cheer. Let's rhyme together, it's fun, my dear. Say thank you when you can. Wait your turn, be a good friend. Look both ways before you cross. Help others if they feel lost. Always share, that's how we play. Be polite every single day. Smile and laugh, spread the cheer. Being kind brings everyone near. The market has fruits, fresh and bright. Bread and milk are such a sight. There's a tower in the castle tall. Gates and bridges, let's name them all. A rainbow of colors fills the day. With words and rhymes, we find our way. Say please when you ask for a treat. Being kind makes life so sweet. Now Coconeon spotted a big blue box. Let's open it up, and see what rocks. Inside, they found a puzzle so fun. Let's solve it together, everyone. They fit each piece with a giggle and cheer. Look, it's a picture of us right here. But oh no, one piece rolled away. Let's find that piece, it's hiding today. They searched high and low, what a chase. Here it is, in this funny place. They put it back, with a smile so wide. Together they laughed, filled with pride. Challenges are fun, with friends by your side. Working together, it's a joyful ride. Rhyme and play, that's our goal. Every adventure brightens our soul. Can you say apple? B. Apple. Now shout bread. B. Red. Let's say blue. B. Blue. What is a market? B. A place to shop. Where do we rhyme? B. With friends, don't stop. What color is Coconeon? B. Bright and bold. What's Fred wearing? B. A t-shirt of blue. What do we find at the market? B. Fruits and fun, too. Today we played a rhyming game. We shared our laughter, felt the same. Coconeon and Fred had a blast. Friendship and fun are meant to last. We learned to rhyme, sing, and play. Kindness and joy brighten the day. With every challenge, we found our way. Together we shined, hooray. Now it's time to say goodbye. But we'll return, oh my, oh my. With Coconeon and Fred, we'll sing once more. Adventure awaits, let's explore. So join us again for fun and cheer. With rhymes and friends, we'll always be near. Let's dance and sing, twirl around. Happiness and laughter are always found. Until next time, keep your heart bright. Coconeon and Fred say goodnight.